The Blue Diamond stump grinder is taking skid steer stump grinding to an entirely new level. First of all, we've installed a very large high torque radial piston motor. This motor outperforms all of the industry standard type motors. The standard motors being used are a deroller type motor running about a 70% efficiency. This motor will perform a 97% efficiency and keeps its torque right through its RPM range. So extreme performance increase. Secondly, we've added a dual linkage pivot point. This allows, as you're pushing forward, it allows your wheel to stay perpendicular as you're pushing into the stump, whether you're grinding in forward or grinding in reverse. As you can see, we now have teeth on the reverse side of the wheel as well as the front side of the wheel to allow for cutting in both directions. An entirely new concept to the industry. As you can see, these are the industry well-known Greenteeth that we've been being asked for a number of years on our stump grinders. So we are now using those and seeing excellent performance out of them.